Good morning, students. Welcome to Lord's Group of Schools, Day 6. Polynomial. Now, today discussion about in previous classes how to find the quadratic polynomial and a cubic polynomial and verify the relationship between zeros and coefficients of a cubic polynomial. Now, today division algorithm for polynomial. Division algorithm for polynomial means if we take any two polynomials, p of x is one polynomial. This polynomial is divided with g of x. You will get more two polynomials. That polynomials are one is q of x quotient, one is r of x. Means if p of x, this polynomial is divided with this polynomial, you will get more two polynomials. One is a q of x, one is a r of x. Now simply how to write this one? P of x is nothing but g of x into q of x plus r of x. This is known as division algorithm per polynomial. Here nothing but in numericals. P of x is acting as a dividend. G of x is a divisor. Q of x is a quotient. R of x is a remainder. In a polynomial, this r of x is maybe 0 or less than the degree of g of x. Means you have to take any division. If in the place of in a division, the maybe remainder will be 0 or that remainder is less than the degree of the g of x. Now one example. For example, divide 2x square plus 3x plus 1 by x plus 2 means this polynomial is divided with this polynomial. This is acting as a dividend 2x square plus 3x plus 1. This is acting as a divisor x plus 2. Now when it comes to the division process for polynomial, dividend, what are the given two polynomials? Dividend a polynomial, that polynomial must and should you have to write in a order according to power of the variable. Here 2x square, 3x plus 1. First square, next one, next constant. This is order only given, so not a problem. Here x plus 2. Here division process, what is the first term of dividend? 2x square by first term of divisor x. One time x will be cancelled. What left here? That is right in quotient place. What is written in quotient? This term multiplied with each and every term of the divisor. X into 2x, 2x square plus 2 into 2x, 4x. Just to change the symbol, plus is there, you take minus. Plus is there, you take minus. This positive plus 2x square minus 2x square will be cancelled. Plus 3x minus 4x. What you have to change the symbol? This symbol only you have to consider to this particular term. Plus 3x minus 4x. One positive, one negative subtraction. Greater number negative minus x plus 1. Next comes 2. Here what is left in this term? What is the first term? X degree 1. Here this also degree 1 only. Then minus x first term by x. Get cancelled. Minus 1. What you get? That thing right in a quotient place. Here what is written in quotient? This term multiplied with each and every term of the divisor. Minus 1 into x minus x. Minus 1 into 2 minus 2. Change the symbol plus plus. This 2 will be cancelled. 1 plus 2, 3. So this is the remainder. maybe in the place of remainder if you get the 0, or otherwise if you're not getting 0, here what you get, this degree is always less than the degree of the divisor. That time only the division is completing. So next to one more example. 3x square, 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5 by 1 plus 2x plus x square. Divide 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5 by 1 plus 2x plus x square, means this polynomial is divided by this polynomial, means this is acting as a dividend, this is acting as a divisor, right? In a dividend, highest power you have to write first 3x cube, next to x square, next to 2x, next to 5. When you writing in order, if any particular term is missing, that place you have to take 0. Now all 3, 2, 1 constant order is there, not a problem. Next to this divisor also write in a proper way. First highest power value x square, next to plus 2x plus 1. Now comes to division. In a dividend, what is the first term? 3x cube by divisor first term x square, means here x is 3 times, here 2 times, 2 times will be cancelled, means 1 time is left as well as 3 also left, means you getting here 3x, that right in quotient place. In a quotient, what you return, this term multiplied with each and every term of the divisor. 3x into x square, 3x cube, 3x into 2x, first numbers 2 into 3, 6, x into x, x square, 6x square, 1 into 3x, 3x, change the symbols, minus, 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 these two will be cancelled, plus 1x square minus 6x square, 1 positive, 1 negative, we have to do subtraction, you will get the 5 greatest number minus, minus 5x square plus 2x minus 3x, you will get minus x plus 5 as it is. Now in this case, here first term is minus 5x square, minus 5x square by divisor first term x square, x square cancel, what left? Minus 5, right in quotient. Here what you return, this term multiplied each and every term of the divisor, minus 5 into x square, minus 5x square, minus 5 into 2x, minus 10x, minus 5 into 1, minus 5, change the symbol, plus, 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 that time this 2 will be cancelled, minus 1x plus 10x, 1 negative, 1 positive, subtraction, greatest number containing positive, that result is positive, 9x, 5 plus 5, 10. Now you have to observe, here what you get, the degree of this particular term, 1, divisor degree is 2. So if this degree is less than the divisor degree, that time division is completed. This only acting as a reminder. This only acting as a reminder. This is the division. If some cases, divide 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5 by 1 plus 2x plus x square, and also verify the division algorithm, means, so you have to complete the division. After completion of the division, verification, Means in this what is written in the dividend place, that number is equal to that particular polynomial is equal to divisor into quotient x square plus 2x plus 1 into 3x minus 5 plus remainder 9x plus 10. In a previous what I explained, P of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. Here P of x as it is you have to write. You have to simplify this one, calculate, simplify RHS part. If you will get this LHS, that is a correct. Now x square into 3x, 3x cube, x square into minus 5, minus 5x square. Next comes to 2x. 2x into 3x. 2 3s are 6. X into x, x square. 2x into minus 5, minus 10x. Next multiplied with 1. 1 into 3x, 3x. 1 into minus 5, minus 5. Plus 9x plus 10. Now you have to observe. X cube term only one term is present in RHS as it is written 3x cube. X square terms are, two terms are present, minus 5x square plus 6x square. One negative, one positive, do subtraction, 1 plus x square. X terms are 1, 2, 3 terms are there. In these 3 terms, these 2 terms are positive. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 minus 10 plus 2x. 10 minus 5 plus 5. You have to observe here what you get after simplification. Here what you get, this is equal to dividend. That time the division is correct. This is the verification of the division algorithm. Next comes to, if any two zeros are given, how to find that before. So if any term is missing in a dividend polynomial, how you take that, how to do that type of questions. Now for example, P of x is equal to x power 4 minus 5x plus 4. G of x is equal to 2 minus x square. If P of x is divided with G of x, then what you get? Quotient and remainder. Quotient, remainder, if asking like that question. Means here P of x is divided by G of x, means P of x is acting as a dividend. In a dividend, highest power is 4. That term you have to write first. 4 after you need 3 only, but cube term is not present. That term you have to take 0x cube. After square is required, square also not present, 0x square minus 5x plus 4. This is answer. Next to G of x is acting as a divisor. In this also you have to write highest power value minus x square first. Next to x, but in a divisor place, if anything is missing, no need in the place of. But dividend must and should, if anything is missing, that place you have to take zeros. Next term is plus 2. Here what is the first term? Dividend first term divided with divisor first term minus x square. Means here a minus as it is will get it. Here 2 times is cancelled, means more 2 times means x square is the left. Means nothing but x power 4 means x into x into x into x minus x square means x into x. X will be cancelled, x into x square is left. That's why minus x square. Here what you written quotient? This is multiplied with each and every term of the divisor. Minus into minus plus x square into x square x power 4. Next to minus x square into 2 minus 2x square. Here getting x square term. That's why you have to write in x square down only. Minus 2x square minus plus. These two will be cancelled. This is 0x, keep no need. Here 0x square, but the down plus 2x square. When adding these two, we will get 2x square minus 5x plus 4. In this case, here first term is 2x square. This is divided with divisor first term minus x square. X square will be cancelled. Minus 2 is left. Minus 2 you have to write. Minus into minus plus 2 into x square, 2x square. Minus 2 into plus 2, minus 4. Constant, that constant down only you have to write. Minus 4. Minus plus. These two will be cancelled. Here minus 5x as it is you have to done. 4 plus 4, 8. You have to observe, here degree of this particular thing is 1. Divisor degree is 2. That's why division is completed. This only acting as a reminder. Then here quotient is q of x is equal to minus x square minus 2. R of x remainder is equal to minus 5x plus 8. This is the division process. Next to how if any two zeros are given of any one particular polynomial, then find the other zeros. Find all the zeros of 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. If two of its zeros are root 5 by 3 minus under root 5 by 3. First of all, given polynomial, given that 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. You have to observe this polynomial. The degree of this polynomial is 4. So that's why this is called biquadratic polynomial. Here degree 4 means this polynomial containing 4 zeros. In 4 zeros, two of its zeros, 2 zeros are given. What are the given zeros? Write the zeros. Given zeros are under root 5 by 3, comma minus under root 5 by 3. Means to actually given polynomial containing 4 zeros. In out of 4 zeros, 2 zeros are given, then find the other zeros. Means what are the given 2 zeros? In these 2 zeros, you have to use these 2 zeros. You have to find polynomial. So what are the given zeros? One is alpha value, one is beta value. Let you take it. Now you have to find if 2 zeros are there, then you will get the quadratic polynomial k of x square minus x of alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. Now k of x square minus x of place of alpha root 5 by 3 place of beta minus root 5 by 3 plus alpha into beta root 5 by 3 into minus root 5 by 3. Now k of x square minus x of one positive one negative same terms will be cancelled, you will get 0 plus root 5 by 3 minus root 5 by 3. And the root values are same, both are roots are present. Without root you have to write 5 by 3. Plus into minus, minus 5 by 3. Now k of x square minus x into 0, 0, plus into minus, minus 5 by 3. Now your denominator is 1. Now take a 3 is the LCM. 1 3 times 3x square minus 5. Now your denominator is 3. That's why place of k you have to take 3. Now k is equal to 3. 3 of 3x square minus 5 by 3. 3 will be cancelled. Therefore required quadratic polynomial 3x square minus 5. How we know required quadratic? Given two zeros are using. If when using two zeros, you are getting quadratic polynomial only. So what you got? What you get? This is acting as a divisor. 3x square minus 5 is divisor. What is the given polynomial? This is acting as a dividend. 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. Now comes to the process of division. 4, 3, 2, everything is present, order only is present, dividend part. What is the first term of dividend? 3x power 4. This is divided with to divisor first term, 3x square. 3 will be cancelled. X 2 times cancel 2 times means x square. Here what you written, this is multiplied with each and every term of the divisor. X square into 3x square. 3 x square into x square, x power 4. Next minus 5 into x square, minus 5x square. X square down only you have to write. Plus is there, minus is there, plus. These two will be cancelled. 6x cube as it is you have to done. Minus 2x square plus 5x square. Negative, positive. Subtraction plus 3x square minus 10x minus 5. In this part, first term is 6x cube. This 6x cube divided with divisor first term. 3x square. 3 1s are 3 2s are. 2 times cancel. 1 time is left. Means totally 2x is left. Now what you written this part only? Divide, multiplied with the divisor each and every term. 2x into 3x square. First of all 2 into 3 6. X square into x cube. Means 6x cube. Minus 5 into 2x. Minus 5 into 2 minus 10x. X down only. Minus 10x. Minus plus. These two will be cancelled. Here 3x square as it is you have to done. Here minus 10x plus 10x also cancel. Minus 5 is left. You have to observe 3x square is their first term. Here also 3x square same terms. Then one time is possible. 1 into 3x square, 3x square. 1 into minus 5 is minus 5. Symbol minus plus. These two will be cancelled. You get the remainder 0. When you get remainder is 0, that time what is the present in divisor? This is a factor of this polynomial. If we get the remainder, that time in a divisor what polynomial is present? This is a factor of the dividend. Next here, according to problem, we need other zeros. We need other zeros. We need other zeros means what is the quotient? That quotient will be equal to 0. X square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. 1 consisting square, for example, in the form of a square plus 2ab. B plus 1 is present. 1 square. In the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, or otherwise factorization. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 1 only possible. 1 plus 1, 2, middle term will getting x square. This middle term split has 1x plus 1x plus 1 is equal to 0. In first two terms x is common, x plus 1. Here 1 is common, x 1 into 1, 1 only. Here two brackets are same, x plus 1 comes to outside, then left x plus 1 only again is equal to 0. X plus 1 is equal to 0, x plus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to plus 1 when you transfer to this side minus 1. X is equal to plus 1 transfer here minus 1. Here these two are other zeros. Given two zeros are root under root 5 by 3 minus root 5 by 3. Other two zeros are minus 1 and minus 1. The total 4 zeros are present in that particular polynomial.